to devolve the funds. So first, under this Gadgil Mukherjee formula, so this principle will be used to give this amount of money. Under this Gadgil Mukherjee formula which is being used, population will be given some weightage, 60%. Per capita income, 25%. Tax performance, 7.5%, and special needs of states, 7.5%. Before discussing this Gadgil Mukherjee formula, let me introduce one concept that is known as a special category state. Special category state, this concept was started by 5th Finance Commission. So they said few states, at present there are 11 states, earlier it started with 3 states only. So we have 7 northeast states plus 1 Sikkim plus Jammu and Kashmir plus Himachal Pradesh plus Uttarakhand. So these are the 11 states which now comes under special category states. So there is some condition which the state should fulfill to get the status of this special category states. These conditions are like the tribal population should be more, they should have some international border, the population density should be less, the geographical territory of that particular state should be very hard. So all these are the conditions. On the basis of these conditions, Union government gives the status of special category state. But this was started by 5th Finance Commission. So the benefit of the special category state is like this. Whenever the Planning Commission is devolving the grants given by Planning Commission, the Planning Commission uses this formula. First priority will be central sponsored scheme. Whatever money is required for central sponsored scheme will be given by the Planning Commission. Out of the remaining, the money will be given to some special programs. These special programs are like border area program, hill area program. These are the special programs for special areas which are being started by the Union government. So first priority will be CSS. Whatever money is required will be given to CSS. Then whatever money is required for special programs will be given to these areas. Then whatever the remaining, 30% of remaining will go to special category states. Let's understand this thing with an example. Suppose the Planning Commission wants to give a grant of 5 lakh rupees. So this central sponsored scheme like engineering and all, suppose this CSS needs 1 lakh. So full 1 lakh will be given to this central sponsored scheme. And then we have special program. Suppose 20,000 is required for this special program. The remaining amount of money, it means 3.80 lakh rupees. 30% of this 3.8 lakh rupees will be distributed among this special category state. It means in actual terms, it's like $1.14 lakh will be given to this special category states, and the remaining fund will be given to the rest of the states. We have rest of the states, they also get the grants from Planning Commission as per Article 282. So these rest of the states will get the remaining amount of money. It means 3.80 minus 1.14, it means 6 and 2. So 2.66 lakh will be given to the rest of the states, 1.14 lakh will be given to this special category states, and full money will be given to special programs, and full money will be given to central sponsored scheme. So how the money will be distributed within these states? Because suppose UP is there, Maharashtra is there, so how much money should be given to UP and how much money should be given to Maharashtra. So to give the grants, Planning Commission uses Gadgil Mukherjee formula, under which there will be some weightage. Population of UP will get some weightage, population of Maharashtra will get some weightage. That weightage is 60%. So one state is having more population, so that state will get more money, because while devolving the fund, 60% weightage is given to the population. Then we have the per capita income. So if a state is having less per capita income, so that state should get more funds. So per capita income is having a weightage of 25%. Then tax performance is 7.5%. If some state is performing well, so that should be incentivized. So that is why some weightage is also being given to the tax performance. And then if there is some special needs of any state, that will also get some 7.5%. So suppose on the basis of this formula, UP is getting some money, Maharashtra will get some money, MP will get some amount of money. So this is what the significance of Gadgil Mukherjee formula. That first, when the Planning Commission is giving the grants, first priority will be given to CSS. Whatever money is required, directly will be given. Second will be given to the special programs which are started by the union government. Border area, hill area, all these programs are there. Then whatever the remaining funds, for example, in this example, the remaining funds is 3,80,000 rupees. 30% of this thing will be given to central sponsored special category states. And then whatever the amount is rest, so out of this rest of the amount, it will be divided among the states on the basis of this particular formula. So this is what we have, the first part of the fiscal federalism. In the next lecture, we will discuss the Finance Commission, the history of Finance Commission, because Finance Commission recommendation came last year. You can expect two types of questions from Finance Commission. 14th Finance Commission versus the previous Finance Commission. So first approach should be comparison, the historical evolution of the Finance Commission, or we can say the historical degradation of Finance Commission, because Finance Commission is a constitutional body, Planning Commission was an executive body, but within over a span of time, the role of Finance Commission decreased and the role of Planning Commission increased. It's just from last 2, 3 or 4 years, the role of Planning Commission has increased, and the role of in the last 2 to 3 years, the role of Finance Commission has increased and the role of Planning Commission has decreased. Or we can say the Planning Commission body has been abolished, replaced by Niti Aayog. And after that, we will discuss the recommendations of the 14th Finance Commission. You can expect one question from 14th Finance Commission for next 1 year, maybe this year as well as the next year. So this is what we have in the fiscal federalism. Thanks a lot.